Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Spring Boot. So if you are following this from starting this playlist, there is some question you had in your mind for definitely. If you are working on first time for a Spring Boot project, there are some questions which come in mind while doing this project. So when I was doing my first project, I have also have some doubt in my mind. Okay, so let's discuss some questions so it can give a clear picture of our project, what we are doing and why we are doing. I'm trying to say we are using some component here like services, DAO, controller. So what it does mean, okay, and why we are using this. So we already completed like 3 videos on this Spring Boot project. Okay, so now what is the idea in this video? I want to discuss all the key points so it gives you the brief or clear picture of the project. I know like from the outside of designing you have a idea like what the project is doing, okay, but if I come to the Spring Boot, if you're doing for first time, then it is like a bit like difficult to understand all these components because this is a MVC architecture, okay, and DAO or anti-DAO services is a whole like MVC procedure. So let me explain this. First I have to just run this application, okay. No need to run this because I have to explain these component to you. So we are not working in this video on some code, okay, and we are not adding any additional component. So our app is up and running, but we are not adding anything. Sorry, we are not adding anything in this, or we are not doing anything new. Just we are doing new in this sense of these component we will discuss why we are using and what's the meaning of all these. So for make you better understand, first I want to take you to the DEO. Okay, this is a main class. No need to like I already explained this why we are using. This is a boot, Spring Boot annotation. It is class for responsible for run and boot our application. Generally when we are making this application, our application is simple application, okay, simple Spring application, but this tag help us to make our application Spring Boot application. It means like it will help you to boot your application from Spring to Spring Boot, okay. So this is a simple. Now the second thing is DEO. Here if it is visible here left side, DEO. Generally when if I come to the core Java, okay, if we are implementing or if we are developing this project, obviously we are already familiar with core Java, okay. So if I talk about core Java, why we are using interface, we are using interface because we can achieve abstraction with the help of interface. Yeah, there's a one line in Java called we are as we can achieve 100% abstraction with the help of interface. Yeah, so our point of using DEO related to abstraction only. Let me explain you in a better way, okay. So this is our representation. Let me draw something here, so after that you will get some good picture, okay, like why we are using DEO. So suppose this is our first let me choose some different color. Yeah, this is our first layer. It means presentation layer, okay, and here this is my second layer. It called like I have to like here my browser is here and here is controller, okay. Inside controller this is my what services, okay, and here this is my what DEO, okay. Like if I give you the picture from here, controller, okay, services and DEO, and at last what we have to add here, we have to add here some databases, okay, some set of like suppose this is our database, okay. So if I say this is like we are using MySQL, so it is my MySQL database, okay. So first this is my presentation layer, or you can say this is we are talking about here in the form of layers. So this is my client, okay. and you can say presentation layer. Okay, you can say like this is a act as like client or presentation layer inside it. Okay, so what we can just give me a second. Yeah, sorry, fine. So this is a client, you can say like this is our presentation layer. We are saying okay, this is our layer 1, it's called, okay, presentation layer, and this is our service, sorry, this is our controller. So we can say here like okay, I can say this is my controller. Okay, and here this is my services. Just wait for some time. After this whole process, it is worth to watch, I promise. You can get a like great idea or some good picture about the DEO and all. Okay, and this is my DEO. Here I can say this is my DAO. Okay, so okay, what is a DEO form? A data access object. Why I'm saying data access object? Okay, I will tell you in just some minute. Okay, first suppose you request something from client. Now you get a great, like you had an idea like how we send a request to the controller. So suppose you send a request to a controller. Okay, you send a request come here. Okay, and after you send a like if controller found your request, then it will transfer to the services. So it transfer to the service. Okay, your request come to the services. How services? Like okay, let me show here. Okay, this is my like client. Okay, if I say from here, okay, I have to search home, it come to home, I have to say services. So the request come to the controller. Okay, here the request come to the controller and controller says okay services. Then okay, it come to the like we don't have any like code implementation in services for it. Let's suppose add, for add. Okay, if I say add medicine, so it go to the this page. Okay, so it found like okay request coming as add, I have to return something. Okay, and something here, what we are saying, we are using MADI service object. Okay, and we are calling add method. And one more thing, what is this is my interface, medicine services. Okay, and we are not using implementation class object here, so we are using interface reference here to get a child object, mean implementation class object. Okay, so this called abstraction. We are only using like reference variable. Okay, so here with the help of reference variable we are calling a methods of implementation class. We are not showing the implementation for add method, only we are showing declaration. Okay, like you don't know, like if someone like you don't know about the services, you only know the add method, you pass this like your MADI object and you get a result. So you don't know the declaration. Okay, you only know, sorry, you don't know the implementation, you know only declaration of this object. Yeah, you have to use this with the help of MADI service reference variable. Okay, because parent class reference variable able to hold the object of child class object, able to hold a child class. Okay, object. So that's why it's called abstraction. We are not showing anything. Okay, we are showing only declaration and we hiding the implementation of that methods. Okay, so hope you got it why we are using this now. So it come to the services class now, this, and it will execute. Okay, so in the case of DEO also it work as the same, like this is a DEO. Okay, you give a declaration here only, and this class is responsible for implementation. So let's see now in the graphical format. Okay, now you request something, it come to the like I request for add. Like suppose I have a request for add. Okay, like I'm saying add, I have a request for add something, like okay, client request for add. Controller found okay we have a respective code for that request, so it says okay, I will give this to like sorry, I will found this and transfer it to the something somewhere else. So we are going to now services, like for add, and services accessing the with the help of inside the services. Let me show you this here. This is our service, no, sorry, this is our service. Okay, and here what we are trying to do, it will call the method of this. If I say okay, call my method, it will call the method of this class object, medicine controller. So inside the add, we will call in our next session, we will call this medicine control class object. Okay, so we will see that in later videos. So it will go to the now our DEO. Okay, and here, from here, DEO is responsible to interact with our MySQL databases. Got it? Yeah. Now hope this is not looking good. Yeah, our DEO interact with this, and whatever the result my database will return, it will first come to the DEO only, not this. Yeah, it will come to the first to the DEO. Okay, and what is a DEO here? Our DEO is a designing pattern for interacting with databases. Okay, and inside it you can use anything, whatever you want. It depends on totally on your choice, like you want to use JDBC, okay, or you want to use Hibernate or IBTs. It's all depend on you. Okay, so there are a number of technologies available in market, you can use anything. All these are like Hibernate, IBTs, and all JDBs, ORM like frameworks. It will give you the predefined some templates which help you to like do not write the boiler code. Okay, boilerplate code. So it will help you to like do not write that code again and again. So what is the next? Like it if request come from here, it will come again in services, and services give it to the controller, and controller pass that request in the form of like to the presentation layer, and presentation layer will display that information like here in the form of what, like in presentative way. Okay, so how, like if we in our next video we will implement this, it will return the some result. Okay, and we will implement some called some GSP pages here in WebNF to display something, and it will display the result. If suppose we are searching some medicine, okay, in our project we are searching some medicine from here, search, and then it will display, it will take me to the next page and display the medicines there, medicine name and count and description there. So this is a that's why we are using DEO here. So now you have a proper idea why we are using DEO services and all these entity we are using for help of putting data, okay, in the form of object, and take data from the form of object. So it is act like beans, because it is beans only, like beans class. So it is help for taking and set on get data. So now you have a proper idea of this whole we are developing this, like we are why we are using DEO and why we are using implementation class. We are using DEO, again I am saying, because to achieve implementation. I don't want to show the implementation of my all these methods. I only want to show like, okay, whenever I want to use these methods, I will go to the, I will call to this medicine DEO reference variable, and it will give me the object like we are using in services, right? Here, like we are not implement this till now, like we are using here for services as same with the help of AutoWire, we get this object in our medicine services class. Okay, and we use that. So hope you get a idea about this whole process. No confusion in DEO, no confusion in services. Okay, so it will help you to understand next videos. So that's why this is the purpose of making this video. And yeah, for sure we will continue this project from next video, and I will try to finish this, okay, as soon as possible. Right, so thank you guys watching for this video. Bye bye.